In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look you just saw in the previous montage. So first things first, skin prep, which starts with hydration. Using this moisturizing serum from Dr. Rashel. As you can see, the skin is looking plump and juicy already. Next, I will go in with the with a hydrating moisturizer from Blossom. I also apply it under my eyes to keep it hydrated for concealer. Applied my primer and now I'm going in with the foundation. This foundation is from Veebeauty. All the products I use in this video will be listed in the description box. Foundation, I'm going in with this concealer from Nuban Beauty in the shade 43, just to brighten up my under eye, my chin and my nose and anywhere that actually needs to be concealed. I'm using a beauty blender to just blend that out. I make sure to blend the concealer properly because it's very important to get that soft look. Just doing the same thing on the other eye and you can see my eyes are already popping. I'm using a little amount of the concealer on each section because I realized the heavy makeup doesn't look good on me. So whatever concealer is left on the blender, I'm just going to pat that along my jawline. This setting I'm baking and I'm using this setting powder from Nuban Beauty in the shade Alabaster. So I'll just blend out the concealer under my eye more and then go in with the setting powder. Always make sure you go in with a thin film. Less is more. Applying too much powder at once makes the makeup look cakey. And look at that gorgeous effect. The setting powder just blurs out everything. So next I'm going to be baking along my jawline, but not for too long, and then I'll bake underneath my eyes and along my nose. So I'm just placing the powder under my eyes that I'll be using to bake. New thing I've been doing recently is instead of going with a brush to dust off this setting powder, I use the same beauty blender to just pat it in, and it just makes it very seamless. Like, I don't know, it gives this really awesome blurring effect. So next, this is me just applying face powder all over my face, everywhere that isn't baking. The powder is from Veebeauty also. I did my brows off camera with this brow pencil from BeautylinebyDidi. Next, it's eyes. Those are the brushes I'll be using for the eyes. So I'm just going in with a fluffy brush, packing in an orange color as my transition base. After setting my eyes with setting powder, always set your concealer in your eyes first before going in with eyeshadow. Used a light orange and then a dark orange in the crease. Next, I'm just going in with this eye primer from Nye, and then I'm packing in this yellow colored eyeshadow on my eyelid. As you can see, I'm not swiping, I'm just patting in this shade. It's a matte color, just to give that color payoff. No swiping because I want a even smooth application. You can see the difference. I'm blending out in between both colors just to give a diffuse seamless look. Next, I'm applying a chocolate eyeshadow just to smoke out my bottom lid, and then it's blush time. Using this lip palette from Blossom, I'm going to be lining my lips with a dark maroon shade. I'm just tracing my natural lip line, no overlining, because my lips are already an adequate size. So after lining the lips, I'm trying to just blend out each line. I opted for this lip combo because I didn't want to do a nude lip. So after lining my lips and blending out the edges, I'm going to be applying pink in the center. I realized for me is that the lip brushes always take the lip products away, so I either use my fingers or the bottom part of the lip brush. Less products and it blends way faster than the normal way I did it before. Guys, I don't know why I made this face, but it's so hilarious watching it playback. So this is the lip combo to go with the eyes. I hope you guys love it. Next is highlighter. I'm going for these two shades, the light pink and the one next to it. Just applying that with a small fluffy brush and blending it in. Best is always blend out your highlighter. It makes a world of difference, I'm telling you. I'll be using this setting mist from Soo Pro to just set the whole makeup, although I use setting spray after applying blush, but I forgot to film that. And this is the finished look. So what do we think? I love everything about it. If you came this far, thank you so much for watching, and support your girl by liking this video, sharing, and please subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. See you in my next